Erica, and welcome to a year-to-date favorite project of mine. This is an 18-month whole home renovation, a forever house for a family here in Noblesville, and let's walk around and see what we did. So we're in the kitchen, the bay seating area, and this posed a little bit of a tricky issue with the design of the window treatments. You'll see behind me, we definitely have the two windows with the functioning automated shades, but then we pivot to the left here and we have a door. The shades will not go this tall, so we're like, what do? We need to cover this. This is the main way to get to the pool. This is where the dog goes out. So we threw in our drapery fabric on the Roman shade and again made it automated for easy use.